It's time to learn how to download the driver for use on the Mac computer with your Kyocera PA4000cx printer. Now we will download the latest Mac driver. Go to https://kyocera.info. This will take you to the download center. Here you should select your country or region. In our example, we are using USA. In the Refine the Product area, type in PA4000cx. Now click on the ECOSYS PA4000cx. Select your operating system from the list. In our example, we're using Mac OS X 10.9 or later. Scroll down and find the Mac printer driver 10.9 and up. Click on the blue download button as shown. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom. Select the Agree to Contract and Download blue button. Open the download zip file. The Kyocera OS X 10.9 file ending in DMG will appear. Double-click on the file. You have three options to use: Kyocera OS X 10.9 Plus Web Build Package, Mac Driver Setup Guide, or the Uninstaller Guide. Double-click on the first option. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue one more time. Click on Agree to continue installing the software. Next, click on Install. If a password is asked for, please enter it. This software will begin to install. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. When the install is completed, a green check mark will appear. Click on Close. You can keep the install file or move it to the trash. Insert the USB cable into the USB port at the rear of the printer. Connect the other end of the cable to your Mac computer. Go to System Settings. On an older Mac system, it will be System Preferences, and select Printers and Scanners. On the Printers and Scanners page, click on the Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax tab located here. Look for the PA4000cx with the kind shown as USB. Highlight the entry as shown. You can change the name of the printer to whatever you like. We are calling ours My Kyocera Printer. Click on the Use block. Click on Select Software. A printer software window will appear. Type in PA4000cx. Select PA4000cx KPDL from the pull-down menu. Select OK. At the bottom of the page to the far right, click on the Add button. Your device will now start the setup process. The Printers and Scanners page will appear. Your PA4000cx will appear under Printers. Click on your printer. You can now share your printer on your network by clicking on this box and selecting Sharing Preferences. You can set your printer as the default printer by clicking on Set Default Printer. When you've completed setting your printer up, click on the blue Done button at the bottom of the Printers and Scanners window. Select the red icon to close the Printers and Scanners configuration window. Your printer driver is now installed and configured for your Mac computer.